I am moving. I am moving again. And so if you've been watching my channel, you know I moved recently. I moved about maybe 5 or 6 months ago. I am moving again. And actually, believe it or not, I added it up and I realized this is going to be the 24th time I've moved in my life, which is kind of crazy because I'm 46 years old. So do the math there. I haven't stuck in places very long. For those of you who are interested in astrology, I've got Mars, Jupiter, Saturn all in the 4th house, and my North Node sits directly on the 4th house cusp. So if you know about astrology, that may help you understand why I move so much and housing is such a big theme in my life. But yeah, I'm moving again. And so something happened this morning during this process that reminded me about how precious your energy is and how to use it wisely. And this is something that, by my observation, most people do not do this. And I definitely did not used to do this. And now that I do this, it is absolutely astonishing how much I can get out of time and effort, because I've learned how to harness my energy in a way that's extraordinarily productive. And so today something happened that I wanted to share with you, because hopefully this will be helpful for you today and every day in helping you harness your energy in a way that you get maximum results out of your life with minimal effort. Now, my name is Andrea Schulman, and I've been teaching people about the law of attraction, consciousness, and spirituality for over 10 years now. And if you enjoy this video, at the end of it, make sure to check out my program that I've linked up below. So far, over 1,100 people have joined, and it is a program designed to help you stop resetting your manifestations, stay aligned long enough for your life to change, and become the version of you who gets what you actually want. And so this program, again, lots of people have signed up. It is not affiliated with YouTube. So this program does include over 300 resources that are not accessible on YouTube. And also in this program, you have the opportunity to submit your manifesting questions for consideration, because I do take member questions and create videos and audios out of those questions for everybody to enjoy. So if you like the idea of any of that, go ahead and check out the link below in the description at the end of the video. Let's jump into it. Okay, so right now I'm in the place that I've been living in for about the last 6 months. So I had an abrupt change that occurred at the end of the year. And it's something I haven't talked about a whole lot on the channel. In fact, I really haven't talked about it at all. And I've been wanting to start expressing kind of these shifts that are happening in my life, because it's easier for me to tell the stories and it can show you a lot about manifestation. And I really wanted to get into some of that today. Now, today I was supposed to have a live. That was the plan. So on Mondays, I'm filming this right now on a Monday. On Mondays, I generally like to go live. And so it was my intention to go live today at noon. That was the plan. Okay, that was the plan. Now, instead, I'm sitting here recording just a pre-recorded video. So the reason why this is that I was at the gym this morning getting ready for my day. And so on the days that I have lives, I do a little bit of cardio and I sit on the treadmill and I think about, what am I going to talk about in the live, and really flesh out those ideas. And when I was on the treadmill, I was going through it and I was coming up with a lot of great stuff to talk about, but something about it just felt a little bit off. I really want to share this story with you guys. There's a lot about it I think is helpful and is useful, but there was something about it that felt like today's not the day. This is what you need to talk about on the live, but you can't talk about it today. And this is a feeling that I get from time to time, not always with lives, but just with things in general. And so this is the tip for today, okay? There are going to be times in your life where you have things planned. In fact, this happens a lot. You have things planned. There's something you plan on doing for work. There's somewhere you plan on going after work. There's somebody you are trying to call or get in contact with. You have a date at a certain time. But so much of our lives is prearranged. And it's very common. It is pretty much universally accepted that people should have a schedule and people should adhere to a schedule. However, this whole scheduling thing can really interfere with your energy. And I talk a lot about being willing to be flexible with your schedule and being willing to switch lanes when you feel that you need to. And it's really important because when you do this, you take your precious energy and you keep it in flow. And when your energy is in flow, you get way more than when your energy is not in flow. And so the problem that most people have is that they may have something that they intend to do. So for me, I intended to come on today and do a live. That was my intention. That was the schedule. I had even told everybody last week I would be here today for a live. But as I was on the treadmill getting ready, the feeling was, this just doesn't feel right. Okay. And when you get that feeling, you want to become sensitive to this, but when you get that feeling that this isn't the right time, or I really don't want to be doing this right now, or there's something else I'd rather be doing, it's so important that you do that. Okay. It's just so, so important. So I had the live planned for noon. That was the intention, but there was something inside of me that said, it just doesn't feel like the right day to share this story. It just doesn't feel right. And I thought for a second about maybe talking about something different, but nothing really came to mind. And when I feel that, when I feel like the energy just isn't there, I'm like, all right, well, I guess I'm not going to do the live today. So I send Mary an email, and Mary is probably very used to it. My assistant, hey, we're not doing the live today. She knows that I'm kind of in flow, and sometimes I come on and sometimes I don't. But I shot her the email, and I had no other plan. I just knew that today wasn't the day for the live. Now, this is something I really want everyone to start practicing, maybe even on a small level, but it's just so huge. If it feels off, opt out. So I came back to this place, and again, this is a rental property that I used to move quickly at the end of the year. I came back here not really knowing what I was going to do for the day. My plan was to do the live, but I knew that wasn't happening. And so instead, I just asked myself, well, what do I feel like doing? And immediately I got this feeling of, okay, it's time to start packing up. Now, this is interesting because my intention was to do a live today, do some other work tomorrow, and use the end of this week to pack this place up. That was my intention. But I suddenly got this urge to start getting everything put away. And it was absolutely amazing. I thought it was going to take me a couple of days to get everything kind of tidied up and put away. But instead, it was almost as if this surge of energy was coming through me, and I was being guided to do things in such a way that it was extraordinarily efficient. And I felt all this competency and ability to get it done quickly. And I turned around and looked, and a couple hours later, the whole place is tidied up. Like, I maybe have one small bag of things I need to get out of here when I go to turn in my keys. But other than that, the whole place has been cleaned up. Everything is ready to go. Now, here was the funny thing. As I was doing all of this, I started getting ideas for my work. So as I was starting to put things away, a thought came. I said, well, you didn't do a live today, but you know what you could do? You could shoot a video. And the idea for this video came while I was going around and cleaning everything up really, really quickly. So I put some stuff away, I get an idea, I jot it down, I go do some more, I jot it down. And I realized partway through this that, you know what? I was still in my gym clothes. I hadn't showered. So I was doing it at a time where I was dirty, not clean. So I was going to be able to take a shower after I got all this stuff put away, get dressed and do a video and be on with my day. And so now I'm sitting here filming this video. No joke. What time is it? Usually I go live at noon, and I don't know if you can see it, but right now it's 11:29. Okay, so usually I would have spent most of the morning getting dressed, getting showered, getting ready for my live, and in a half hour, I would go on and do my live. Instead, right now, it's not even 11:30. I have cleaned up this rental. It's ready to go. And I've showered, I've dressed, and I've also still made content for my channel all before I would have even gone live on the original video. The real beauty of all of this is I realize as I'm sitting here filming this that getting this place together was a monkey on my back. That's been something I've been stressed out about. I've been stressed out about getting everything cleaned up and ready to go. And now, instead of holding that stress for 3 more days, it's totally out of the way. So again, I still got content done. I got this place cleaned out. And at this point, I've done really an entire day's worth of work and worked out. And it's not even 11:30 in the morning. This is the power of using your energy in flow. And it only works when you're willing to say no when something feels off. And so this is what I really want to drive home. This is something everybody really needs to be practicing, which is that when something feels off, don't do it. Even if you don't know what you're going to do, if you don't know how it's going to work out, if it feels off, what that means is that particular action is not in flow. It is a resistant action. Because I've done this before where I forced myself to do a live or to do some kind of work when I felt off. And those are the days where there are technical difficulties, or those are the days where it just doesn't come out as good, or those are the days where I don't enjoy it as much. But if I say no, something will automatically open up and it's like I'm redirected where my energy actually wants to go. And so this is something that's made my life much more easy, which is that I do my best to stay in flow as much as possible, even if that means letting people down sometimes, even if that means saying no to something I said yes to, even if that means some people may think I'm flaky. It really doesn't matter, because the reality of the situation is if I'm not in flow, it isn't going to work anyway. And so I really wanted to impart that to you today. If there's something that you feel like you're supposed to be doing today or tomorrow and it's bugging you, you don't really want to be doing it, don't do it. Okay, just don't do it. Give yourself permission to go where the energy is trying to guide you. And you'll have an experience like I had today where maybe you didn't do that original thing, but something much bigger and grander and more important got accomplished, and you feel really great about it because the energy was in flow. Now, by the time I film my next live, I will be in the next place, and there's a good chance that you may actually see that live before you see this video. There's a chance that that may happen. So I look forward to seeing you in the next live if you come to watch. And again, I do have some stuff to talk about because my life's been all over the place and there's all kinds of things going on. So I wanted to share some of that. But in addition to that, again, if you like my content and you have not yet, please check out the program that I've linked up below. Again, over 1,100 people have already signed up. And so the purpose of this manifestation program is to help you stop resetting your manifestations. Don't keep trying and trying and trying. Get them the first time. In addition to that, I'm going to help you stay aligned long enough for your life to change and to become the version of you who actually gets what you want. Now, members in this program have all kinds of perks. In addition to having access to over 300 resources that are not here on YouTube, members also have the opportunity to ask their manifesting questions and have me create full-length audios and videos on those questions. And so that is a perk to members. In addition to that, members also have fantastic discounts on some of my other programs. And so if you're interested in checking that out, again, go ahead and check out the link below for more information. And in addition to that, if you have not yet, please make sure to take my free and only 5-minute long manifesting test. So if you really want to know that you're actually the creator of your reality, this is a test that I've designed that will allow you to put something out and watch it come back so that you know for certain that you really are the one who's creating everything around you. And so it's a really fun test. Again, it is free. It's only 5 minutes and you can take it now at manifestingtest.com. Again, that's manifestingtest.com. Besides that, please make sure, of course, to subscribe to me here on YouTube, like the video, drop me a comment, let me know what you think. And of course, I look forward to seeing you in the next one.